Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can link ThreadApp to Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Thread application. So here you can see login with Instagram. So once you download the Thread app, you have an option to link your Instagram. As you can see, my Instagram is showing here, so I'm going to click on that. So it will take few seconds to get me in. Okay, and let me show you whether it is connected with Instagram or not. You simply need to click on your profile picture, and here you can see my all details from Instagram. So let me show you. So here you can see that my bio is there, and the same way on the Thread app. So this is the process by which you can link Thread app with Instagram. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.